Do you know this animal? This is a red-lipped batfish. This fish is found around the Galapagos Islands and off the coast of Peru at depths of 3 to 76 meters. This fish is especially known for its bright red lips. Batfish are not good swimmers. They use their pectoral fins, abdomen to walk on the seabed. Marine biologists believe that the bright red lips of the red-lipped bat could be used to enhance species recognition during spawning. It is also believed that showing their lips can generate sexual tension within the species.